Alright, here we go. Finishing off CNC group break number 1610 with 12, 13 certified and SP game used. We start with a certified signatures for the Philadelphia Flyers, Matt Reed. Base. We got a fabric of the game, number to 299 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Joffrey Lupul. We've got a Path to the Cup, number to 399, which would be randomed between the Devils and Panthers, Travis Zajac, Michael Samuelsson. We got a Certified Stars, number to 999 for the LA Kings, Jonathan Quick. And we got a Path to the Cup dual jersey, number 98 of 99, which will be randomed between the Predators and Coyotes, Colin Wilson and Martin Hanzal. There's a lot of multi-randoms in this break. Base. We've got a mirror red, number to 199 for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Mikhail Grabovski. We got a redemption for a freshman fabric signatures, rookie jersey auto, number to 499 for the St. Louis Blues, Jake Allen. And we've got a Mass Marvels, number to 999 for the Buffalo Sabres, Ryan Miller. Now on to the SP game used. Push it off. Big finish. We start with an authentic fabrics for the Washington Capitals, Mike Green. We've got a rookie autograph for the Boston Bruins, Maxime Sauve. We've got an authentic fabrics for the Boston Bruins, CloutsnChara. We've got an authentic fabrics for the Detroit Red Wings, Brendan Shanahan. And we finish with a Draft Day Marks, number 9 of 10 for the Carolina Hurricanes, Skinner. Jeff Skinner. 9 of 10 for the Carolina Hurricanes. Then that's. So, good boys and girls, multi-randoms coming up.